Paano kung sasabihin ko sa inyo na there's someone here sa YouTube na kumikita ng 5,000 per month just by using free AI tools? Sa loob ng isang taon, 11 videos lang ang na-upload niya at nakapag-gain siya ng 175,000 subscribers. Hindi sila nag-upload araw-araw but they are still gaining million of views. Kaya dito sa video na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo paano nila yung ginawa step by step. Itong channel na to is called Beginning to Now, kung saan gumagamit sila ng AI to gain million of views. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ito gawin and maybe ikaw na ang susunod na maging successful because of YouTube automation. Ituturo ko sa inyo paano maghanap ng viral video ideas, creating scripts, visuals, and narrations without spending single penny. Gagawin natin to in just 6 easy steps. At sa step 5, I will give you a tip that will help you boost your videos. So make sure to watch the whole video. Step 1 is finding high retention video ideas using AI. Kailangan natin gumamit ng ChatGPT and help us to write a trending script. Visit the channel you want to replicate and click the popular tab. Click the most popular video, click share, and copy the link. Ang gagawin natin is itatranscribe natin yung video using TurboScribe. Mag-sign up lang kayo using your email and you'll get 3 transcription daily, which is more than enough on what we need. Go to dashboard, click transcribe and paste the link na kinopy natin and press transcribe again. Step 2, let's generate viral video scripts and AI image prompts. Copy the script and go to ChatGPT and write this. I need you to analyze the script and paste the script and hit enter. Sa ganitong paraan, matuturuan natin si ChatGPT to write an engaging scripts for us. After that, write this. Great! Now that you have analyzed it, I believe that you are capable of giving me 3 viral video ideas to create YouTube video of the same kind as you analyze. And ChatGPT will give you YouTube video ideas. Gagawin na lang natin ay pumili ng topic. Ang napili ko ay 10 Asian cities that vanish without a trace. At naman susulat yung next, I need you to write me a full YouTube video script about this topic, and after you write the script, write me exact prompt to generate images that represent each scene individually. Make the prompt detailed so we can get realistic result. ChatGPT will give us a script and AI prompt for our visuals. Step 3. Let's make AI generated narration. For this step, we are going to use 11 Labs because this is the best tool for this step. Go to 11 Labs, pick your voice, click text to speech, go back to ChatGPT and copy and paste the narration to 11 Labs. And click generate. At meron na tayong AI generated voice narration.
What if I told you there are entire cities that once thrived with thousands of people?
Step 4. Let's generate AI images for each scene. Ang pinakagusto kong AI images generation ngayon is ang cart.ai dahil accurate ang text nito compare sa ibang AI generation images. Sign up using your email, click generate, and make sure to select the 16 by 19 composition. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt and paste it on cart.ai. Click generate at meron na tayong first image natin. Ulitin nyo lang to sa lahat ng scene para makompleto yung AI images natin. Ito na hinihintay nyo. Step 5 and the game-changing secret para sa tutorial na to. Let's animate the AI image into videos. At ang gagamitin na natin ay ang Hailu AI. Lahat ng tools na ginamit sa video na to ay free at makikita nyo yung link sa description at comment section. Pero habang nandiyan ka na sa baba, click mo na din yung subscribe button para mauna ka kapag meron akong bagong ilalabas sa tutorial. Just click sign up using your Google account and makakakuha ka na ng free generation daily. Kapag nakapag-sign up ka na, click generate and click image to video. Upload your first image, pwede mong i-copy-paste na lang yung prompt na ginamit mo sa cart.ai. Again, this will take time pero ulitin mo lang ulit lahat ng images na meron ka. Last step, editing and uploading it on YouTube. Need natin i-compile lahat ng asset natin from narration to animated video. Pwede kang gumamit ng CapCut sa pag-compile. It's free. Pero ang gagamitin ko sa video na to ay ang Premiere Pro. You can also use Suno.ai para hindi ka na mahirapan pumili ng background music mo. Meron akong tutorial dyan sa video ko kung gusto mong panoorin. Once na na-edit mo na yung video, balik ka lang kay ChatGPT and ask this. I want you to create me a YouTube title, description, and SEO hashtag for my YouTube video. Also, give me an AI prompt for my YouTube thumbnail. Go back to cart.ai and paste the prompt for your YouTube thumbnail. Say mo lang yung gusto mo and pwede mo nang i-upload yung video mo. Just copy and paste the YouTube title and description. After that, let's watch it.
What if I told you there are entire cities that once thrived with thousands of people, but today they're nothing more than whispers of the past? Lost civilizations, abandoned cities, and entire metropolises that vanished, some without a trace. From a city swallowed by the sea to an empire that simply disappeared, these are the 10 most mysterious lost cities in history.
Sobrang ganda, di ba? Kesa sa mga boring na compilation lang ng images. Sana may natutunan ka sa video na to. Kung wala, edi sorry, pwede mo i-check itong isa kong video, baka dito may matutunan ka. Kung may natutunan ka naman, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and see you on the next tutorial.